Before we begin, I need to let you know I did receive both of these items completely free. In exchange for my honest review, all opinions are my own. Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing from Amazon. It's been a long time since we've done one of these. So this is actually, the reviews are going to go, of course the video on YouTube here, but the written reviews are going to go over on exoticgardening.com. I will come back and update the video with the proper link once I get that done. And I will be doing videos showing how these work. Today is just the unboxing. This box arrived yesterday. I was out mowing and came up and found it arrived. This is what it looked like when it arrived. And so I was a little concerned because you can see all that space and there was no packing material in this box. And since these are light bulbs, grow lights actually, that's a huge concern. Now, I'm going to show you the name of the company. I think it's pronounced Sansi, but I don't know for sure. So there it is. And I have two of these. I have a small one and I have a larger one here. So, large one. You can see just the size difference on the boxes here. We're going to start with this large one, which is a 30-watt LED plant light bulb. It is a full spectrum LED grow light for hydroponics, greenhouse, house plants, vegetables. And I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like inside the box. This is the packaging. And we're going to take it out and just kind of show you. This is very interesting. I don't know if you could see how this is made, but this is the first bulb that I've seen actually made like this. So very, very interesting. This seems to be plastic. So this is what the base looks like. So this will screw into one of those heat lamps that you would use for chickens. And you can get them at the farm stores. So I have to go get one of those. I know I've got several around here, but I'm not sure where I've put them, so that I can test this light out. But like I said, I wanted to show you this. Of course, this came with it, and this was an invitation to the VIP club. Let me set this one aside right here. And then the smaller one is actually a 15-watt LED grow light bulb. It is a daylight full spectrum grow light meant for indoor plants, you know, house plants or commercial hydroponic culture. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open the box. It doesn't have near the protective packaging. And this is what it actually looks like right there. And again, it says that it is ceramic, but to me, it feels like plastic. So I'm honestly not sure. This might be ceramic. This is definitely plastic up here. And again, this would go in the same type of light fixture. This one came with some paperwork. If that one has paperwork, it's like in the bottom of the box. But this one came with some paperwork, and I haven't checked it out yet. Okay, just some instructions. So I think using a light bulb is pretty self-explanatory, but for those that don't know how these work, it did come with some instructions. And so we have both of these, and like I said, one is a 15-watt, the smaller one, and the larger one is a 30-watt. I'm really excited to give these a try, and I will definitely be reporting back and letting you guys know what I think and what the results are from using these. And I do have other LED lights, as most of you know, to compare these with. So that's going to be very interesting to me because, like I said, these are different from the ones that I have, and I'm really curious what the differences are, you know, and what the plants are going to do using different types of light, because some lights they respond to really well and some they just don't. So definitely watch for that video, and I will come back and leave a link to the blog post as well once I get that up. Please subscribe, a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. Thanks for watching today, and leave me a comment what you want to know about these light bulbs. Leave it below, and I will answer it in the video and the blog post once I get a chance to test these. Have a great night, guys.